Welcome everybody and welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terry Fashionable, and in this video today I'm gonna be doing this look right here, and as you can see it is braids, and the style that I'm gonna be doing is miracle knots. So let me shout out to my sponsor ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. What I received is 5 packs of their water wave, and with this crochet here, it is reusable, very lightweight and tangle free, and everything is like pre-section, so you don't have to worry about the hair getting all over the place. All you need to do, attach it to your hair and make it be secure. But enough for the talking, let us jump right into the video. Right now I'm going to do my parting to get my plaits so I can add the crochet here. So I'm gonna go more in depth with the hair when it's time for me to actually use them, because I kind of like slightly showcase it. So if you're plaiting your hair by yourself, you definitely need to set up your mirrors. I have mirror right here, and right here. This is a 360 mirror, so I'm gonna be able to see everything. So first I'm gonna start out by doing a center part. So I'm gonna take it from here and bring it all the way down to the back. I feel like I need to get a little lower for this one. Yeah. Comes to the back. Okay, so now we get that out of the way. So I'm gonna go on the top of here and then bring it across, straight across, and then touch it to the next ears. So now we're gonna part it from the back of the ears, like right in here, so then bring it all the way up to the crown area, right? Then bring it down to the side, and we're gonna work on getting it straight. So this is how we're looking right now. I think everything is straight. Now we're gonna be doing the rows. I think I'm gonna put 3 at the back right here for this section. I'm gonna part like 3 rows. Listen to me, this is 2 days after, because I had business to take care of, and because of that I have to stop. So now I'm back at it, so we're gonna complete this look, right? But I want to say, for the girlies who are saying that it takes 45 minutes to an hour to do, they're lying, okay? They're my cap fully. If you have someone doing it and they have experience, yes, you can plait your hair for 45 minutes. But if you're doing it yourself, you gotta bear in mind if you have a lot of hair and if your hair is long. If your hair is short, it's a give and take situation. But if you have hair for the head, listen to me, it's gonna take a while, because this in total took me 3 hours. I normally do my hair, so I'm gonna let you know that part. Yeah, so if back in business, if you want your braids to look like it was done professionally, please get your part straight. And also when you're parting your hair, get it in a brick layer. The only part supposed to be going straight, there's 2 rows. Yeah, you need it to be in line, but other than that, everything else done in a brick layer. So I want to make that clear. So right now we're gonna go ahead and install the crochet here. I did not count the plait, which I'm going to do now, and this is 1 pack. So with the 1 pack, I'm gonna count it, and I'm gonna give you an option, as in installing 1 pack, then 2 pack, 3, 4, 5, see if running up to 5, so you can say, okay, that is my desired look, and I will go for that. I don't think I really like talk about the hair like that, but this is in the texture of water wave, and you already know about the thread part of the crochet here. I talk about it in a few of my videos, because this is not the first one that I'm doing right now. The thread is the main act. I love the curls and the fullness is there. This is 1 pack. Let us count the plait first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 21, 22. This is 27 right here. 28, 29, 46, 47, 48. Yeah, so 48. Now it's time for the hair. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 39, 40, 41, 42. So this is 42 right here. We need 6 more to complete with my plaits, but hey, you know, take it from the other part. I'm gonna pull down this one instead of wait until it's finished to open it, since I thought it would at least size up with my plait, you know, and have extra, but now. So let me count this one now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30, 31, 32, 35, 36, 37. Okay, so my issue with this from the jump is the thread showing like this, you know. That's why I feed in the hair in my last video. Like, I hate to see when the thread falls. So this is like my first time actually doing a crochet here with a thread showing like this. So hopefully I end up like the end result. I'm gonna add the extension to every plait. These are the crochet needles, and I'm gonna be using this one here because it's smaller than the original one right here, you know, and I think it will be better to go through my hair because my hair is on the thinner side. I don't want to overdo it with a needle because I've never done this part before. Okay, so how you work the crochet needle on the plait. So you push the needle through like this, then you hook the thread parts of the crochet, then close it, then pull it through the plait. After you pull it through the plait, then you open it like this, and you want to make sure that the latch where the ear extension is on come through completely. Then pull it under, then you lock it, and that's it. So if you feel like this part is sticking out, you can simple just braid it in until you're not seeing the thread like this. I think it's better this way too. Yeah, right here. And this is what I've done so far. So this is 1 pack and 6 pieces, and the hair is light as a feather, you know. So yeah, and these are just the hair added at the ends. Yo, this feel like I'm not wearing no extension. What I'm tell you, say it is very light. No. Is this more your style? 1 pack. So now we're gonna feed in the rest of it, even though I start using it. So let's do that. I'm bringing it close to the end. I want it to look full when I'm wearing it down, and also having it up in one. I'm done with doing it close, like a inch apart. Up here I'm not gonna do it as close as I did the yeah, these are the difference right now. So this is the 2 pack finish right here. So I'm gonna get the next pack. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Feed my face time hungry. Yeah. Coconut water. Hello. And this is 3 pack. I'll pull out this. Okay, so this is 3. Now we're on the next pack, and this is like 4. To complete the 4 pack, I have 14 leaves right here. I'm gonna attach them in the roots. This is 4 bundles, and the ones that I add to the root give it volume. You know, it's not laying flat, so I like that part. This is 1 pack. That leaf back. So next time I'm gonna do it, I can fresh it up by using that. So right now I'm gonna add products. Do I? Okay. We'll get my water and conditioner. And we are done. Yes, this is a completed look, and I can say that this hair right here is giving. What my tell say, tangle free, painless, except for the ones at the roots. You know, it is thick from root to ends. You get me? You are getting voluminous. And this is only 4 packs. So imagine if I use the 5. Like what? And it's lightweight. What I'm gonna say, it feels like nothing on my head. Like, yeah, you know, the ear is there, but at the same time it is not weighing you down like the regular braids that you normally wear. Any type of braids that you have to feed in, which I did with this, you know, but it's just different with the thread. The thread make it very unique. I will definitely recommend you guys to give it a try, especially if you're doing it with your natural hair. I am telling you, you're gonna feel like it's nothing on your head. I really do love this style right here. Another thing that you don't have to worry about at watering, no scissors to trim up any hair that is sticking out. So you tell me now, this is just perfect. Also, you have access to your natural hair where you can moisturize it or oil it, and you can touch your scalp. Like, give the wig a break and take a shift over to the braid inside. I know it's gonna take a while to do. Don't make them fool and stay. It's a 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. Listen to me, I clock 8 hours doing this, so it's no joke. Also, you can style it whenever, however, you know, flip it and reverse it. And it's easy to angle and triangle. So you tell me now, this is definitely a go-to right at this moment. Don't be afraid to come out of your comfort zone. So anyway guys, if you are interested in this crochet here, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to the girl channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Anyways, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.
Blessed with the goal in that front. As me see your mic cock jump. Give your kitty some bad thump. Don't come in my room, come pop stunt.
Body temperature 100 degrees. I can make you hold your breath and say please. You never had real sex till you lay down with me. I can have you seasick, still be hooked to your knees. Pedicures in the sand under tie-dye blue. He said put that lingerie